Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog, where creativity meets simplicity. In this video we are going to explore how to transform simple scrap wood into stunning high-end home decor that looks expensive but costs almost nothing to make. If you have ever looked at designer furniture or home decorations and thought, I could never afford that, think again. Because today I will show you how creativity and smart craftsmanship can turn inexpensive wood into stylish, elegant pieces that instantly elevate your space. Let us begin. Wood is one of the most timeless and versatile materials out there. It brings warmth, character, and a natural touch to any room. But the best part is that you do not need fancy tools or expensive hardwoods to make beautiful items. With just a few basic supplies, you can create decorations, furniture, and accents that look like they came from a luxury store. The secret lies in design, finishing, and presentation. First, let us talk about why scrap wood is a hidden gem. Scrap wood often comes from old furniture, pallets, or leftover building materials. Instead of throwing them away, these pieces can be sanded, cut, and stained to look brand new. Each piece of wood tells a story through its grain, texture, and imperfections, and that is what gives your finished project its unique charm. Now, the first step to making scrap wood look expensive is preparation. Always start by cleaning your wood, removing any nails, and sanding the surface until it feels smooth. A good sanding job makes even the roughest wood look polished and professional. Then choose a stain or finish that matches the mood you want. Dark stains like walnut or espresso give a modern, high-end feel. Light, natural finishes give a cozy, Scandinavian-style look. When you apply the stain, always go with the grain of the wood. This enhances its natural beauty and prevents streaks. Finish it off with a clear coat or matte sealer to protect it and give it that designer quality shine. Let us talk about design choices. The key to making cheap wood crafts look expensive is simplicity and balance. Clean lines, even edges, and minimal decorations make a huge difference. For example, a simple wooden tray with metal handles, or a rustic candle holder made from an old block of wood, can look like something straight from a boutique store. Here is a tip: avoid overcrowding your designs. The less complicated it looks, the more elegant it feels. Luxury is not about doing more, it is about doing less but with precision. Another way to elevate your wood crafts is through contrast and combination. Try mixing wood with other materials such as metal, rope, glass, or fabric. A small wood base with a rope handle or metal accent instantly looks more refined. Adding gold or copper details can also give a luxurious touch without spending much. Texture is another important element. Smooth finishes look classy, but pairing them with rough or rustic edges can create a beautiful balance that catches the eye. You can distress your wood slightly with sandpaper or a wire brush to give it that vintage charm that buyers love. Now let us talk about functionality. Beautiful crafts are great, but functional ones sell even better. Think about what people actually use every day, things like key holders, coasters, shelves, and small tables. These are perfect projects to start with because they are simple to make, useful, and look amazing when finished with care. Even small home decor items such as wooden picture frames, jewelry stands, or candle trays can be crafted in less than an hour and still look luxurious. When you put thought into the finishing touches, like adding handles, polish, or small design details, the value increases instantly. And remember, presentation is everything. Even the most inexpensive piece can look high-end with the right styling. Place your crafts in well-lit spaces, on clean backgrounds, and use soft lighting when showcasing them in photos or videos. If you plan to sell your crafts, presentation helps you stand out and attract more buyers. Another advantage of working with wood is sustainability. By reusing and recycling old materials, you are not only saving money but also helping the environment. That is something more people care about today than ever before. Eco-friendly decor is a growing trend, and handmade wooden crafts fit perfectly into that lifestyle. Now, if you are someone who loves the idea of turning your hobby into income, this is your opportunity. Many of these simple wood crafts sell really well online and at local markets. People are always looking for unique, handcrafted decor that adds personality to their homes. Start small. Make a few items, post good quality photos, and share them on platforms like Etsy or social media. As your skill grows, your brand and your confidence will too. The best part is that every new project you make teaches you something. You will learn how different finishes look, how designs can be improved, and how to express your creativity in new ways. And remember, perfection is not required. Handmade items are meant to look authentic, not machine-made. That is what makes them special. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to make your craft stand out. Keep your tools clean and sharp. Always measure twice before cutting. Use a good quality wood glue or screws for durability. And finally, take your time with finishing. It is what separates a good project from a great one. So, whether you are decorating your home, starting a craft business, or just looking for a creative hobby, remember that beauty does not have to be expensive. With a bit of imagination and effort, you can transform any piece of scrap wood into a stunning work of art. Thank you for watching Craft Catalog. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more creative, simple and budget-friendly craft ideas. New videos are uploaded every 2 days, filled with inspiration to help you design, build, and decorate your world, one project at a time. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep crafting with purpose. Until next time, happy crafting.